everybody, and welcome to Kids Talk. Today, I'm going to show you how to play Connect 4. So without further ado, let's get started. Each player gets two colors. One player gets the red coins, and the other player gets the green coins. Each player take turns putting one coin into the slot, like this. And then this keeps continuing alternatively. So, first red, then green, and then red again. Once you have 4 in a row, like I have here, then you win. It can be vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Once 4 in a row has been made, you can either carry on making more 4 in a rows, or you can simply left the whole thing up and get the coins to one slot. And that's how you play Connect 4. If you like this video, then give it a like, share, subscribe, and as they always say, smash the notification bell so you know when other videos come. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye!
On the left is my most recent upload. In the middle is the subscribe button. You can tap on it and subscribe to my channel now. And on the right is the video that's best for you.